The Supreme Court of Ghana has just answered one of the most fascinating family law questions of 2026. A wife accused another woman of sleeping with her husband in divorce proceedings, only for that same woman to storm into court, claiming that she was not a side chick but a proper wife. This is exactly what happened in the case of Vida Yeboah and her husband, Dr. Stephen Yeboah. Vida filed for divorce at Aguna Street Road and accused her husband of repeated adultery. One name appeared throughout the court documents: Vida Yeboah. According to Vida, the affair was an open secret in Gomwa, Bugwak, especially around their home. Stephen, on his part, denied everything, but Mercy made a bold move and applied to join the divorce case. According to her, she was not an adulterer at all. She claimed that she had actually married Stephen under customary law, and she had pictures. She was his second wife, according to her, and also argued that if any properties were going to be shared, she had an interest in them too. The High Court, after listening, allowed her to join the case, but Vida Yeboah, Stephen's wife, appealed. The Court of Appeal reversed the verdict and threw Mercy out, saying that the real issue was simply whether the marriage was broken down, and Mercy was not needed to answer that question. Mercy fought back all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court sided with her. The court explained that adultery is one of the major facts courts consider in proving that the marriage had broken down. So if Mercy was being accused directly, and she had evidence claiming that she was actually married to Stephen, then her participation went to the very heart of the dispute. The court also noted something very important, that being publicly branded an adulterer carries a lot of shame and ridicule. Mercy was therefore not a busybody interfering with someone else's marriage. She had a real legal interest to protect. The Supreme Court added a very important warning, that this case was not meant for side chicks and side guys to rush into court and confess their affairs. Ordinarily, such people should simply appear as witnesses. However, where a person is specifically named as an adulterer and claims to be lawfully married to one of the parties and also claims marital property, then that person ought to be joined to the case. What do you think? Follow Super Lord GH Studios for more real stories, real cases, real people.